Today, introduce the total productive maintenance TPM and strategic imperative for the signature maintenance. In the piece, the presentation del the interpretes framework a total product maintains TPMs, exploring and origins, foundational principles, and the critical roles in the place in change operational excellence and competitive across diverse industries. We will mm, navigate through the implementation for progress, highlights the barrier, the facilitator, the influence, is success. As ultimate and realized by organization, the embarrassing and holistic maintenance philosophy. Um, Origins and evolution of TPM emerged from the innovative, the Japanese manufacturing landscape in genesis is all often attributed to Seishi Nakajima, a visionary at the Nippon Denso, a Toyota Group, the company in the 1971. Uh, Initially, the TPM was convincing and the method for the improved equipment effective with manufacturing facility. However, the core philosophy quickly expanded beyond machine maintenance to encompass a broader organization complement their products and efficiency. Nakahama approaches efficient employing their operation to take our necessary equipment for the culture of continuous improvement and the collaboration that with production and maintenance teams. It's the fundamental principle like the groundwork of the TPM with spirit on the adoption and evolution in the global standard for operational excellence. TPM strategic importance for competitiveness. It changes competitive, increases flexibility, super maintenance strategy. In such as competitive is today the fast-paced global market comprises face intense, producing the delivery high quality products and the competitive price. Number two, TPM the cultives in the more angles, the points productive environment by storing the equipment relative and the reducing its next downtime. Companies can adapt more quickly, change in demand product specifics and market conditions. Superior maintenance strategy TPMs redefines maintenance from the cost center strategic ascent. This proactive company wide the approach led the significant reductions in the maintenance content, extended equipment lifespan, and more the predictive operational flow, fundamentally transforming the maintenance functions. Change operationals, change without TPM and need for the change. In the 5 points, the point number one, the frequent equipment breakdowns, then to offline downtime, missing products, target, and increased repair costs. For productive quality, often direct result the relative equipment, leading of the screen creates customer dissatisfaction. High maintenance costs. Reactive maintenance in inherently more expensive due to the energy reparation in expensive parts of over time. Low equipment utilization, machinery still in the breakdowns of the septum, reducing overcapacity. The modern releasing workforce constant fire heights and the fruiting with their unreliable equipment can negatively impact employment. Is TPM while the use, while exactly the static vary by region and neutrally. To the strange code the literate than TPM and the gain significant traction globally. Is no longer exclusive in the to automate sector, but being adopted by the diverse range and manufacture and even service industries to optimize their operation. Is TPM difficult in the implement? Yes. The literature consistently point the TPM implementation as the complex and challenging and the over. It requires significant organizational change, achieve the mindset and sustain complement from the high level management and employees. Common difficulties cite the inclusion resistance to change, lack of the adequate training, insufficient the leadership support, and the failure to integrate TPM with existing organizational process. However, despite the tense and difficult, the consensus instant benefit who went into the challenge when implementation correctly. TPM across industries and company size. Automotive manufacturing for beverage, process industry, the oil gas, paper, service, and healthcare. The peer plane, the teaming of the automobility industry continue the prime the examples the success. Uh, the heavy manufacturing, electronics, and general managed sectors themselves utilize to TPM. In the food, in the industrial food industrial, the crucial for maintenance, equipment uptime, prevent the contamination, and storing product safety and consistency. In the industry, for example, oil, gas, paper, for the como keeping suspend the plan, the maintenance, and the breakdown, change prevention is vital for maintaining continuous flow, the maximum output. In the healthcare, the particular standard related to the office's efficient TPM pillar 7 and the quality maintenance pillar 6. TPM implementation stage the preparation. Manage continent, introduce trading, TPM structure setup, setting goals, master plan. The point important, the my managed component, the absolute cornerstone in the TPA implementation without the visible the support from the managed shipment of the file management for the only allocate resource, time, money, personal, but also with actually participate community division and they demonstrate the failure in the process. Other point important, the TPM structure setup. Study the the organization structure is vital for the win the sustained TPM effort. TPA implementation is stage to preliminary implementation. TPM launch. This marks the official quick off the TPM program. It's often evolves for events so such the company-wide announcement or the ceremony so symbols the Beijing the front the transformation coordinate the launch event server the generate exit level. Communicating all the students. Effective communication is paramount. The stage is several clarity, articulate the special goals and TM program, and explain the new Stalin TPM organizational structure. Uh, TPM implementation stage 3, full implementation, pillar the 5. Pillar 1, autonomous maintenance, empowers parents to take the ownership, the chief manage this evaluate training, the basic maintenance, and like cleaning, lubrication, inspection, the mirror repairs. Pillar 2 is focus improved and to eliminate manual losses in from the equipment, the effective, the setup time, the quality effects, and through the system cross-functional team activities. Pillar 3, planet the maintenance, establishing the systematic schedule for the maintenance activities for base the historical data, predictive techniques, and the preventive measures. Quality maintenance the Hinjitsu housing. Focus on the ensuring side of the effective through systematic and equipment 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 in it involves identifying the controlling equipment conditionation than the cold the quality effects. Pillar 5, education and training, crucial for the building skill the connect length workforce. Improvement stage, company-wide the TPM, pillar 6, 8. Pillar 6, safety, the healthy environment. Pillar the greater is the safe working environment and the ensuring compliant with environment regulations. Pillar 7 of TPM administration and support department. The goal is the improvement efficiency, reduce the gas, the water, and the streamline the process in these areas. Pillar 8, LR the equipment management, new equipment design. Focus on design the new equipment and the machinery for the option, maintainerly, operability, and reliability for the outset. By incorporating lesson learned from STEAM equipment and considering TPM principle during the design phase. Companies can significantly reduce commencing time. The startup is the future maintenance cost. Is this the pillar 5.8 is very important. This productivity approach source and a new internet contribute immediately to productive. Finally, the full information of the 10th eighth pillar transformed the organization into highly efficient, quality drive, and safe operation entity, where all employees contribute the equipment, efficiency, and continuous improvement. Thank you.